My suggestion anyway to Carlos Santos Fernandez. Carlos, I am warning you, stop praising Bongbong Marcos. Like I said to you, look at those people who were street beggars. Here's the one thing I could say, Mr. Carlos Santos Fernandez. You are my friend. Carlos Santos Fernandez, don't listen to Kuya Dan Mardayaw that he is a pathetic Marcos loyalist. Don't listen to him. That's why I remember I was told by J. Rick Silva, tama po ang sinabi po ni J. Rick Silva. You know, Carlos Santos Fernandez, here's the one thing I could say. Bongbong Marcos is really corrupt. Take a look, Carlos Santos Fernandez. You see that the taong grasa who were corrupt, who were convicted of bribery and involved of flood control ghost project, such as Bongbong Marcos, Martin Romualdez, Paulo Cruzada, Benjamin Netanyahu, Atemel Canete, MC Mua, Jam Magno, Gina Sejo, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Noah Cochuba, Melanie Shiraz, Teacher May Tiburcio, Lassie Marquez, Jeffrey Asedio, Jordan Bunagan, and including Gibot Chidoro. They are all corrupt. You see, in Israel, Carlos Santos Fernandez, Benjamin Netanyahu had resigned last 2021. What did he just do? He resigned because of his corruption, because of his plunder. That will be happen to Bongbong Marcos. If he resign, if he step down to the Malacanang. You know, Carlos Santos Fernandez, with all due respect, especially you, Teacher May Tiburcio, and Ate Dina Guillermo, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, and Ate Mel Canete, for those four idiots who were praising at Bongbong Marcos. You know, Teacher May Tiburcio and your family members, all of you are fuckers. All of you are pathetic of Marcos loyalists. You do not know what is corruption in the Philippines. Like I said before, corruption. I'm sorry for my bad words, I'm sorry for my foul languages. If you're watching this, my good friend, Carlos Santos Fernandez, do not praise at Bongbong Marcos. They are shameless leaders. They do not know how to resign. Look at in Germany. Some chancellor had resigned who committed the corrupt in parliament in Germany. They just resigned. In Japan, when they convicted of when they involved of corruption, when they just they resign. Some of Japanese politicians who were in Japan, mostly the corrupt official, they just resign. And here in Philippines, they never resign. Look at in Afghanistan, Carlos Santos Fernandez. Afghanistan, Taliban and Al-Qaeda execute corrupt officials in Afghanistan. They execute. Iran, they execute corrupt officials in Afghanistan. Like I said before, Afghanistan. And also Cuba, during the time of Fidel Castro, they execute corrupt officials. Mostly in Turkey, they execute a corrupt official. In Yemen, some Houthis, they execute the corrupt official in Yemen. They need the death penalty. Philippines have no death penalty. We need to execute to all of corrupt officials who were involved of flood control ghost project. How about you, Teacher May Tiburcio? Are you siding with the Marcos administration? You want a flood control over the place, even in Bulacan of Bilgalang, even in other place in Metro Manila, Shania Kiana, in Makati, they got a flood control because of Ghost Project. Is this what you like? Huh? Ate Dina Guillermo, Ate Mel Canete, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. Is it what you all of you like? All of you are idolizing Bongbong Marcos because of because of corruption of flood control Ghost Project? I'm sorry for my words. I know this is really what I'm saying. Ghost Project. They do not know what is really happened. That Bongbong Marcos and his wife, Melanie Shiras, they should be stepped down. You do not know about the flood control Ghost Project. Miss Universe Israel 2025, Melanie Shiras. Mr. Fake President Bongbong Marcos. You have to resign, both of you. Both of you resign. It is not a good economy to the Filipino people. Both of you must resign. I know I was very angry. Both of you need to resign. Both of you. Like I said before, look at for example, in Venezuela, under by Hugo Chavez. Look at all the oligarchs in Venezuela who were side with the US, who were corrupt. What did he do? Hugo Chavez detained all corrupt opposition during the time of Hugo Chavez in Venezuela. But here in Philippines, we are being shameless. We are being shameless to our countrymen. That what we have to do, we need a transparent and good governance. That's all. I just want to remind to Carlos Santos Fernandez, wag kasi mag-comment ng puro Bongbong Marcos ang utak mo, Carlos. I am really get angry to the Marcos loyalists who are fake Filipinos. Do you really want to side with those taong grasa who are corrupt? Do you want to side who are the homeless people who are corrupt of the government of the Philippines, such as Bongbong Marcos, Martin Romualdez, Benjamin Netanyahu, Ate Dina Guillermo, Ate Mel Canete, Jam Magno, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Noah Cotioba, Jeffrey Asedio, Paulo Cruzada, Jordan Bunagan, Jeffrey Beltran, Gibot Chudoro, Lassie Marquez, Melanie Shiras, and Teacher May Tiburcio. Do you want to side to those who are corrupt official of the government? Carlos Santos Fernandez. You know, Carlos, as I'm your friend, you have to listen to me. Makinig ka sa akin, Carlos. You need to listen to me. Like I said, ikulong ang mga kurakot. I want those corrupt officials to be in prison.